What's up guys, we got a 2015 Audi S5 in here with an ECS Tuning catback system, alright? It connects up here to the stock down pipes, runs all the way back with a custom X pipe, dual in, dual out resonator, and then it's got two Valvetronic mufflers in the back, which means it works off a valve system tied into the existing valve system. As you can see, these blue wires running up through here, these blue hoses. So under intense vacuum pressure, it opens up the valve, makes it a little louder for them. All right, it's an overall really good system. So let's go ahead and bring it down. You see right there, ECS Tuning.